Oh my God. Look at the tree. Solaris, come here.
I saw it already.
My God, I didn't see that. Now we aren't going anywhere.
No, now I gotta go outside and see what I'm gonna do to clean that mess up.
I want to help you.
Yeah, we'll see. I have to go check and see how much damage it is, how much snow fell, if we can even walk. Stay warm in the house for now, okay? I'm gonna go check the mess.
What time?
Right now I'm gonna go. Here is a better view of the damage. So this is how my car looks like right now after the storm. Got hit by 2 large tree limbs. Thankfully one is on the back, the other one's in the front, and it appears like it suffered no damage. But I am stranded here. I cannot move my car. I called the city. I also called, of course, my work that I wasn't going to be able to make it today. For me, it's a double whammy because I was hoping to write some Donors Choose grants for my students over the holiday, and then I had no internet for about 3 days. Finally, it was repaired, and then this morning I wake up to this and I cannot go to work. But hopefully, I've called the city. They said they were going to do an emergency cleanup here, and hopefully I will be up and running by tomorrow. But this is what happens when you live in the big city like Chicago. It's a great city. It's probably one of the safest cities weather-wise, I think, and once in a while we get this. But thankfully, as you can see, God spared me. It didn't land on top of my car, crushing it, but I won't see until tomorrow. This is what we have. And that snow was so heavy, so heavy. It took me at least 3 hours to shovel the snow on my sidewalk and allow for my wife to pull out from the driveway. But yeah, it was very heavy, tiresome. But we're here, so hopefully this will be repaired soon and I can go back to work as I should be. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This is just one small setback in the Christmas adventures in our family channel. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.